What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Audifort before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Audifort works. What is Audifort? Audifort is an advanced hearing support supplement made with a carefully selected blend of over 20 potent natural ingredients, designed to improve auditory health. Audifort combines powerful antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents, and bioactive nutrients to help repair damage to the inner ear and auditory cortex, enhance blood circulation, reduce tinnitus symptoms, and support overall brain and hearing function. Created for both men and women dealing with hearing decline or persistent ear ringing. Audifort has received positive feedback from users who experienced clearer hearing, less noise sensitivity, improved sleep, and greater mental clarity with consistent use. This formula is produced in a GMP-certified and FDA-registered facility, under strict safety and quality standards. It's also non-GMO, free from stimulants, and completely non-addictive, making it a safe and reliable long-term solution for hearing support. How does Audifort work? Audifort is based on the latest neurological research that connects hearing issues with disrupted communication between the brain and the auditory system. Conditions like tinnitus, ringing, buzzing, or reduced hearing sensitivity are often linked to inflammation and damaged neural pathways. Audifort works by restoring and protecting these neural connections, allowing your brain to interpret sound signals more clearly and efficiently. This leads to reduced ringing in the ears, less sound distortion, and a calmer auditory experience. Additionally, the formula promotes microcirculation around the ears. Healthy blood flow is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the tiny cells inside the ear. By improving circulation, Audifort helps revitalize auditory nerves and inner ear structures, reducing fatigue and promoting long-term hearing health.